follow what they say.
7, yes, sir. So deck 6 or 7, the one.
7. Nhưng mà 다른
Yes, deck 6 or 7.
Get checked off. They threw you overboard.
Oh, good. Okay. And we can go is a 7? J7.
Sorry, come on.
What? J7. Okay.
J7.
It went all the way down. Oh, yeah.
Anyone? Yeah.
J7.
J7?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can I scan your card?
Yeah.
Oh.
No matter if the ship is in port or at sea, without having been warned that it is an exercise for the crew is being performed, guests who are in the stateroom should collect warm clothing and essential medication, then proceed swiftly but calmly to their assigned muster station by performing low-level lighting and the directions from the crew that will lead to the evacuation route. As for guests who find themselves away from their stateroom when the general emergency signal is sounded, they should proceed directly to their assigned muster station without returning to their stateroom. Life jackets will be provided by appointed personnel at their muster station. Please be aware that your evacuation route may lead you through a stairway marked as crew only. Therefore, it is important to take some time after the drill to thoroughly familiarize yourself with the surrounding areas of the stateroom. Guests should not use the elevators in the case of an emergency situation, as these may stop working due to the possibility of power failure. For any kind of emergency, please use our emergency phone number 911 on any on board. In compliance with SOLAS, we will continue by having staff members demonstrate the correct way to wear a life jacket. Begin by unfastening the black buckle in the front of the jacket. Pull the block apart and place yoke over your head, keeping the line outside and to the front. Pass the belt around your waist and connect buckle by pushing the two parts firmly together. Pull the securing straps as tight as possible. This will be helped by holding the right hand block. Tuck any remaining strap away. Some life jackets may have an additional strap. This will have to be pulled between the legs and fastened at the front of the life jacket.
Oh.
Again, tucking away the loose end. Please notice that your life jacket is equipped with 3 main features to assist potential rescuers. A life jacket that is activated by water immersion, a whistle for attracting attention, and highly useful reflective tape. Special life jackets are available for children weighing less than 70 pounds. Also regarding children in an emergency situation, children who are separated from their family members will be taken to the children's pickup point, Bistro Restaurant, located on deck 6 midship. By ship staff, the family members should pick them up. With regards to smoking, fire the greatest danger. A weighted cruise line does permit smoking but only in designated areas. Smokers are asked to please use the ashtrays and to fully extinguish all cigarettes. Never leave lit smoking material unattended and only smoke in designated areas. Safety information regarding smoking on board can be viewed on the safety channel number 10. Locations where smoking is permitted can be found in the stateroom and in the freestyle daily. We also ask you to refrain from leaving towels, books, and other personal belongings unattended on your balcony. This has been proven to be a potential safety hazard. Your stateroom steward will remove these items from balcony wherever this is observed. Protecting the environment is of course extremely important, and Norwegian Cruise Line takes this very seriously. We operate a zero tolerance policy regarding disposal of any refuse into the sea. We kindly request your cooperation in this regard and to refrain from discarding any type of waste overboard, no matter how small. Please use receptacles conveniently located in your staterooms and throughout the ship. Fire prevention is always a priority on board. Therefore, we kindly ask all our guests to unplug all electronic devices before leaving your stateroom. These devices should include but are not limited to cell phones, cameras, electric shavers, and hair dryers. Your stateroom attendant has been instructed to disconnect any electronic device that has been left unattended. We thank you for your understanding and compliance with the safety policy. A video with the additional safety information is broadcasted on channel number 10 on your cabin TV. This video will show you the correct procedure that you will follow to evacuate from the muster stations to the lifeboats. If you should ever have further questions about safety on board, we kindly ask you to contact reception in order to organize a meeting with a safety manager. Also, should you have any further questions about any aspect of our safety plan officers, we'll remain on deck to address them. Ladies and gentlemen, the mandatory lifeboat drill has now been completed. We would like to thank you for your participation.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you are on vacation! One last thing. I'm gonna ask you one last thing. We're gonna go slowly out of the theater. Last cruise, I saw one lady pulling the hair of the other one. So do not pull the hair or push the person in front. Slowly, the bars are going to be open and the buffet is also going to be open for you to start eating.